Hello everyone and welcome to Scuba Travel and Adventure channel. In this short video I'll cover one of my deepest dives where I have reached a maximum depth of 172 feet, 52 meters. It took place in Waterton National Park, Alberta, Canada. Waterton Lake Cameron Bay. The water temperature on this dive was 4.4 degrees Celsius and the temperature on surface was 5 degrees Celsius. Total dive time was 55 minutes and 35 minutes of decompression time. Gas used for this dive was 22% of oxygen and 39% helium, and the total gas I have used was 131 cubic feet. Last time I have recorded my depth in the video was around 147 feet, as past that point I had to stay more concentrated on my dive profile than taking the video itself. I will show you also in that video how Waterton Lakes looks below the surface and where the Rocky Mountains are dropping down and creating spectacular scenery underwater. My dive system I'm using consists of side mount XDeep harness, Santi E-Lite Drysuit and Santi Undergarment BZ400. Underneath that I wear a Merino wool base layer, and the regulators I use is Apeks XTX50 side mount swivel regulators. Then I use Scubapro Jet fins, Atomic Aquatic Venom Scuba mask, two Shearwater Perdix dive computers. One of them is an AI model and the other one is a base model. I also use analog pressure gauges on my regulator for additional safety. I will do a review on my scuba gear in another video for those that are interested. Living here in Canada and diving mostly in cold water, we have selected a gear that works and performs best in the conditions that we are diving in. At the same time, it can be used in tropical diving and cave diving without any issues. Apeks scuba regulators are among most reliable regulators on the market, preferred by most technical divers. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the content, please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to get updated on my next video in the future. Happy diving everyone, until next time.